Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to blend two images in Photoshop. And also we will dive deeper into using select subject for masking, auto tone, auto color, applying selective color, creating clipping mask, and creating shadows using brush tool. So let's get started. So here in our document, let me show you first the two images that I will be combining. So first is this picture that will serve as our background, and also this image of a car that will serve as our subject. The first step we're going to do here is we're going to mask this car and put it on our background document. Okay? So for masking this, we're going to make use of select subject. So going on to the toolbar, make sure that you're selecting on the background layer. Going on to the toolbar, go to select and find subject. And Photoshop will create a selection on it. There you have it. So let's just fix on the area that aren't selected. So just like this one. So I'm going to make use of a polygonal tool for that. So going on to the third tool, right click on it and find the polygonal lasso tool that looks like this. For the options on top, I'm going to tick on this one. All right. So to add more selection, so I'm done fixing the selection. Now I'm going to press V for the move tool and then click and drag it on our original document. There you have it. Okay. So as you can see, the size is too big. So I'm going to press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command. And then let's click and drag this one and also put it on a right position. All right. So this one is okay for me. This one's good. Hit enter. So now the next step we're going to do here is we're going to use auto tone and auto color. So to do that, with this, let's rename this one as our car. With this car layer selected, going to the menu bar, go to image, and then go to auto color. All right. And another one, let's go again there. Go to image once again, and this time select on auto tone. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, going back, now the next step we're going to do here is we're going to add shadows to make it more realistic. So the step for that is we're going to select on that background layer and then go here, create a new layer. Let's rename this layer as shadow. So with that shadow layer selected, I'm going to the toolbar and find the brush tool. All right, or B for the shortcut key. For the options on top, for the opacity, I'm going to set this one into the amount of 30%. And then click on this. For the brush, I'm going to make use of a soft round brush. For the angle, I'm going to click this one to flatten it out. Yes, do something like this. And then for the foreground color, make sure that you're selected on color black and then hit OK. All right, now let's start making shadows. Now that looks fine now. Now the next step here is we're going to add a new layer and that will be the selective color. So going here, selected on that car layer, go down at the adjustment layer icon and then choose selective color. There you have it. With this selective color layer selected, we're going to create clipping mask. So right click on it and then choose create clipping mask. Okay, so now let's adjust the options of selective color. So from the color, yes, start. Let's go to white first. Okay, and then from the cyan, I'm going to increase that into the amount of 5. All right, there you go. For the magenta, I'm also going to decrease that into the amount of 5. All right, so that looks like green color that reflects from surroundings. And for the white, I'm going to decrease this one into -5. All right, to create a brighter look. Now, the next step here is we're going to go to colors, click on this, and then now we're going to choose black. Under the black, I'm going to increase this one into amount of 60 to create a shadow like here at the bottom of the car. All right, so look at that. All right, there you are. So this one is the before, And this one is the after. And that is how to blend two images in Photoshop.